Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Notion desktop app on macOS step by step clearly. To uninstall the Notion desktop app from your macOS, begin by locating the application in your Finder. Open a new Finder window by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. In the Finder sidebar, click on Applications to view all installed applications on your Mac. Scroll through the list until you find the Notion app. Once located, click and hold the Notion app icon. Drag the Notion app icon to the trash bin located in the dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Notion app icon and select Move to Trash from the context menu. Next, to completely remove any residual files, open the Finder again. In the menu bar, click on Go and then select Go to Folder. In the dialog box that appears, type /library and hit Enter to access the library folder. Look for the Application Support folder and open it. Find the folder named Notion and delete it by dragging it to the trash. Next, return to the library folder and locate the Caches folder. In the Caches folder, search for any folders related to Notion and delete them as well. After you have removed all related files, empty the trash to permanently uninstall Notion from your Mac. Now you have successfully uninstalled the Notion desktop app from your macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.